Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within your Street Fighter 6 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Street Fighter 6 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, you can directly start playing the various different game modes. Now, before you choose your game mode and start playing, if you wish to change the language that is within the game, then tap on the tab button from the home page, which will take you into the multi-menu. From here, click on options, and now you will see the language option at the top. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can change various different language types, from display language, voice language, as well as the fighting ground and battle hub language settings. Just hover over to any category and then click on any language that you wish from the list of available languages. Once you click on your desired language, it will be applied to your game right away. And after this, you will be able to play your game with your chosen language. And you can come back to this setting at any time in order to change your language on the Street Fighter game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the Street Fighter 6 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.